Welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. Today we're diving into a quick tutorial on how to download the Canara banking application on a device, which is also known as Canara AI1 banking application. Stick around as we walk you through the simple steps to get the application up and running smoothly on your phone. Let's get started. First of all, make sure that you are connected to the internet. After that, open up App Store if you are an iOS user or open Play Store if you are an Android user. After that, in the search bar type in CANARA Canara Bank and then click on search. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this application. Now click on it and now click on Get button. You need to verify using your Face ID, fingerprint or passcode. After the verification is done, your download will be started shortly. When the download is completed, you can click on Open to use the application. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode of Tech Basics. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below.